Hey everyone, Joe here from BGS. I'm one of the revenue optimization experts here that help e-commerce businesses build, grow, and scale their stores. Today, I want to share with you one app that can really help you clean up your product pages and other pages on your site as well. When it comes to online shopping, nobody really likes to read a ton of information, especially when it's just kind of put in front of their face, right? So imagine like if you open up a book, there's a bunch of text in there, and it's just really tough to go through. If you go onto a product page on your phone, your mobile phone, there's a bunch of text, walls of text just thrown at you. It gets really tiring, and people can't really find the information that they want to see necessarily because there's just so much going on. Now, I want to share with you today that one tool can really help you compartmentalize these information, and we call it progressive disclosure. Essentially, you're not forcing all this information on your readers and your users kind of come to your site. You're giving them an option to read what they want and pick out what they want to find out because everyone's different, right? Some people care more about the size of your product. Other people care more about how fast your shipping is. And some others will care more about what your return policy looks like. So being able to organize your information into these compartmentalized sections is what progressive disclosure is all about. And I'm going to show you one tool with you today that can really help you with that. And it's only $5 a month, really, really inexpensive and can really help you out. All right, so let me share my screen and we'll go through the Shopify App Store right now. Okay, so we're on the Shopify App Store. This app is called EasySlide, Accordion, Tabs, and FAQ. A mouthful, but what it essentially means is it gives you options to, like I said, compartmentalize your information on the website. What it would look like is something like this. You have these plus signs next to these headers, and you can click them open, and they give you information. A lot of the sites, e-commerce sites, utilize this if you haven't noticed it. So for example, Cupcoats, this is a famous website in the US. If you scroll down here, you can see the description tab. You can open. Information can be found in there. And if you want to find out more about shipping and returns, you can see here. And if you want to find out more about the story behind the brand, it's over here. So imagine if this is all opened up, right? And you're on your phone. It's just a bunch of text to scroll through. But once you have this, you're giving users to pick and choose what they want to read instead of forcing it, on them. Another site that we have at Partner Store is this, very, very high selling chain, and we have the same thing as well. We have different compartmentalized information, product details, made in Italy, free shipping, over $50. Like all this information allow people to, quickly get to what they want to read a lot quicker, and ignores the ones that they don't really care about, right? Another site is Bellroy Wallets. Beautiful website, and they have the same thing as well, progressive disclosure. This is a form of progressive disclosure as well. You're showing more stuff and hiding it, forcing people to read as much unless you don't want to. This one as well, specifications, shipping and delivery, warranty, right? So all this is called progressive disclosure. And this app, EasySlide, Accordion, Tabs, and FAQ gives you that option. It's $5 a month, not that expensive at all. You get a 7-day free trial on the app. And guess what? You can also add in, say if you have reviews on your site, you can also put reviews inside of a tab, allow people to open it very, very high up. Because sometimes reviews are always, tucked down at the bottom of your product pages. So you can get this in up higher as well using tabs. This can also be used for FAQ. So for example, there is an example store that they give you. So imagine you have like FAQ at the bottom of your page. You can have different questions here as a headline, and people can open it and read as much as they want, right? So that's what this app does. It's really simple to use. It integrates with a lot of different themes. As you can see, Debut, Express, Brooklyn, Venture, all type of themes, and including our own BGS super theme as well, if we have that installed on your store. Really easy to use. It directly integrates with your product information, your product description on the back end of your store. So whatever you type in there, you can use different paragraph settings to create tabs very, very easily. All right, guys, so that's the tool that I want to share with you today. Use this tool. If you have a product page full of information, if your product, requires a little bit more explanations and details, not just a simple shirt and whatnot, use this tool, because this can help you and help your visitors to understand your product better and provide a better experience when they shop on your store. All right, guys, so hope that was helpful. And if you want to learn more about BGS or have a call with us, we can hop on the phone with you, talk about your situation and how to optimize your store, go to workwithbgs.com. That's workwithbgs.com, and book a call with us. We'll be able to help you optimize your store and take it to the next level. All right, hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.